Skip the lines with undercover tourists, crowd calendars, touring plans, and mobile apps.
Turntable lift ready to start. Turntable lift not firing. Please watch your cell phone steering.
Any concerns about riding this ride, please reconsider.
How many?
Zero is not responsible.
You gotta look so you can enjoy the ride.
No, you're gonna full experience.
Why am I saying
I'm saying it just. It's all about where you sit.
Gosh, I put the wrong seat.
See, that might be a little one. We might get a big one.
I'm putting my feet up. It's better get wet. You should have brought an umbrella, Papa. Oh no.
Yeah, that's. No, I didn't shoot.
Oh no.
It's a water ride. You're gonna get wet.
Not in my world. Are we stuck or what? Oh gosh, no. Where are we?
Oh boy, Gopper.
Yeah, it's gonna be a big one right here.
Where'd it go?
You gotta peek.
I am.
You can look right now. You can. Oh boy. Oh boy.
You takes him off?
Not bad at all.
Did it get too wet? Never mind.
Yeah, that was a good one right there.
Yeah, we got
We made it, Copper.
You in. Look, come.
We dodged a bullet there.
Now we gotta go through the blue one.
A show we gotta go watch.
Yeah, the show's at 4:15.
What's that?
The big one. Yeah, it's gonna have everything.
That's the blue line. That was too bad. Or not.
stopping at timetable is, stop the ride, which will cause longer wait time. If you don't want to wait a long time, please get your boat as quickly as possible. Thank you.
Guests must be 42 inches taller to
Stop paying full price for your family vacation and visit Undercover Tours today.